Okay, this is a very exciting video for me to make at least, and I hope it's gonna be that exciting for you to watch and listen. This is Suno AI, and if you probably heard, this is a song making AI. I am talking about an entire song. When you land here, after you sign up or sign in, you go to create. Here you can enter, you have to accept so you're not stealing lyrics and all that good stuff. And if you create here, it's just a song description that will make a dreamy mode thing, but usually go in custom mode. The point of this video is that you can make songs in almost any language. Yes, I said that right. Not only English, but in any language. And it will adapt to the music style of that language or region that you describe it. Now, let's make a quick test. We know it does rock and roll and hip hop and techno and deep house and all that general music. Let's say we want to generate I don't know, maybe a song in Spanish. Well, we're gonna create some lyrics here with the other AI, Copilot. We're gonna ask Copilot to create us some nice lyrics right here. Create. Okay, so the prompt is create song lyrics in Spanish about love in reggaeton style. It's gonna create us these lyrics in this one right here because it's the other AI, as I said. This is Copilot right here, and make it longer because that's that's not gonna be enough for us. Okay, I think this is more than enough right now, and yep. Perfect. Stop responding now. We're good. We're just gonna copy this. I bet this is not all going to fit, but it's okay. And now we drop this right here. This is in Spanish now. So yeah, it didn't fit the last one. And I am in the free version right here, and as you see, I have 50 credits. They are replenished every day. Style of music, this will be a Spanish guitar. What else should we put here? Melancholic in Spanish. Okay, and title, Spanish guitar test. And we're going to hit create and see what it comes up with. Now, on Suno, the V3, as you see here, it says V2 for poor people. And V3 is out too, but it's a paid version, so it's not that expensive for what it does. Now, don't expect miracles. It's not gonna be a finished product that you can just run away with it straight to music distributions and start selling tapes with it. That's not gonna happen because you will see the quality is kind of questionable, and yes, it needs some work and repolishing and mastering and all that good stuff. But for an AI that we just entered a text or lyrics made by another AI and we just told it it's Spanish guitar, melancholic in Spanish, this is great. Don't ask for too much now. Come on. And let's just wait for this to finish loading and we'll play. Oh, well, never mind. It just finished loading. We're gonna play both and see how they sound. It gives you two versions. Yes, you can recreate more, but as you see, for these two, it took 10 credits. So you have 40 more left. Every time you create one, it takes 10 credits. So let's listen to these two, how they sound.
Iluminada, pista nos encontramos, fuego en la mirada, bailando cadera con cadera, la noche iluminada. Tus besos son mi melodía, en mi mente resonada. Ay, amor, eres mi ritmo tropical, con cada latido siento que voy a estallar en este baile eterno.
So you get the point. Let me play the second version. Usually the second version should be better, but we don't know. Let's test it.
Nos encontramos, fuego en la mirada, bailando cadera con cadera, la noche iluminada. Tus besos son mi melodía, en mi mente resonaba. Amor en cada paz, nuestra historia está empezada. Ay, amor, eres mi ritmo tropical. Con cada latido siento que...
Anyway, you get the point. It's not the best, but yes, you can remake it. It's almost like rolling a dice with this Suno AI. I've been testing it for quite a while now. That's why I'm making the video now. You are kind of rolling the dice. You get sometimes low quality, sometimes you get almost super high quality. Not a joke. You get really some freakishly good quality. Now let me try it on a different language and different style really quick. I probably should have said epic rock style there, but I put it whatever. It's gonna create us the lyrics we're looking for just for this test. I'm just putting these languages just to show you. Yeah, you can do it in Hindi, in Arabic, and it will understand. If you put it, let's say for example, you make the lyrics in Arabic and you tell the style of music in Arabic or Middle Eastern or Oriental music, it will actually understand. We'll change the tone of the voice, we'll do the trilos, we'll do the color of the voice. You'll be surprised. So let me just copy this really quick because that's all we need right now. I think I don't know why is it doing that? Suno AI. Okay, we're gonna drop it right here, and it went to some point. Now it's not perfect, but it is good. Okay, now we're gonna change this, the style of music, new rock, epic rock in German. Okay, and we'll hit create German rock here just so we keep track, and we'll wait till it creates this. And after this, I'm gonna try just to show you what I meant in Arabic. Actually, you can tell and distinguish right away that's in Middle Eastern style. Just give me a sec. Okay, it just finished, and we're gonna play them just a little bit, the first and the second, and see how it actually sounds.
In der Dunkelheit der Nacht steh ich fest und unverzagt, mit geballter Faust und Blick, der niemals fragt. Die Stürme toben wild, doch ich bleibe unerschüttert. Denn in meiner Brust ein Herz, das mutig flüstert. Ich bin der Fels in der Brandung, unbeugsam und stark. Im Echo meiner Schreie spiegelt sich der Funke im Dunkeln.
I mean, this is great. I'm not gonna lie. This is really good quality. And it's following the whole thing as it's supposed to be. Did you hear that? Actually, it sounds really, really good. If you heard this on the radio, you would think, oh yeah, probably just some kind of band is singing it. Here is the second version.
In der Dunkelheit der Nacht steh ich fest und unverzagt, mit geballter Faust und Blick, der niemals flagt. Die Stürme toben wild, doch ich bleibe unerschüttert, denn in meiner Brust ein Herz, das mutig flüstert. Ich bin der Fels in der Brandung.
I mean, come on. This is next to perfection coming from an AI. You heard the bass, you hear the guitar, the electric guitar. This is mind-blowing. Now let me try the other one that I told you really quick. Since we're here, we're gonna try a few languages. Why not, right? We're gonna do song lyrics about love in Arabic. I don't speak Arabic, so you guys out there, please tell me that the AI is not gonna mess with me here. I'm just gonna put song lyrics in Arabic about love, just to show you that it actually is capable to understand even how the tone should be in that specific language and from that specific region. This is mind-blowing to me from an AI. We're talking about just text to music. Now, I don't know if this is enough or not, but this is some text, so I'm gonna copy and paste. I apologize if I don't know what I'm doing with this one, because I don't understand a single thing in this one here, but I'm gonna try my best. Melancholic love in Arabic. Perfect. Arabic test, and we're gonna create. So let's wait for it to create, and I'll show you both versions. This whole thing that I'm doing here is just to show you that it actually changes based on exactly the prompt and what you're asking it to do. This is this is mind-blowing. Okay, both variants are done now, and we're gonna play the first and play the second. And then, as I said, maybe in German and Spanish I understood a few words. In Arabic I understand maybe 0 words. But anyway, let me play it.
في قلبي حبك يسكنه يا نور العين والمنة.
That's what I'm talking about. Do you hear the voice and the color in the tone? That is very specific to only Middle Eastern music or Eastern music, whatever you want to call it. It is very specific. Here in the West, I know we don't even do this kind of like that. I don't know what you call that because we don't use it. So you see what I'm saying? This AI understands even that part. It actually does it as if a human were doing it. Let me play it a little bit further. How great is that?
كلماتك عذبة تحلو بهالسنة وفي حضنك أجد الدفء يا أماني وسكنة يا حياتي فيك العمر مستهنى معك الدنيا جنة ودونك كلها فنة.
I mean, this is almost perfect. Let me play the second version really quick. This is mind-blowing to me.
يا حياتي فيك العمر مستهنى.
That is, well, the first version, in my opinion, was better. I think. As you see, this is mind-blowing. Let me give it something probably even a little bit harder. A Greek song. Lyrics for a Greek song about love in a very melancholic style, I guess. So whatever that means. And I don't know. I am seriously speechless how far the AI has come. Now, this is not perfect by any means, as we said, but I'm inputting different languages from regions that would be quite hard to understand. Even for me as somebody who really worked with music almost my entire life, there are some regions that I have a really hard time understanding because, of course, first of all, I don't know the language. And second of all, the music is completely different. It's different from what we're used with. And this is the Greek version. Let me change this right here and let me insert the Greek stuff here and melancholic Greek. I'm just gonna leave it melancholic Greek and I'm gonna put Greek test and see what it comes up with really quick. As probably if you know, mostly I'm talking about more traditional music here. We're not talking about modern music. Obviously in Arabic you have Arabic hip-hop too and you have Greek hip-hop as well, but we're talking about more regional and traditional music, what you would probably associate with Greek or Arabic or Spanish. Let's wait for this one to finish the prompt and we'll get back and listen to it. Okay, our Greek test is ready and we're gonna play it really quick. The first version, here it is.
Στη σιωπή της νύχτας αναζητώ το φως σου. Μα στο άδειο κρεβάτι μόνο ηχούν τα λόγια σου. Κάθε ανάσα μια ανάμνηση που πονάει βαθιά. Και στον ύπνο μου έρχεσαι σαν γλυκιά απάτη. Χορός αγάπη μου που σε τώρα μες στην καρδιά μου κρύβεσαι. Στον πόνο μου αντέχεις.
Okay, so you get the point. I probably understood a few words. Krevati, Torah, Agapimu. A few words I just hear, you know, from Greek friends that I probably remember a few things. That was perfect. Come on, you tell me that this was generated just from a program, not a human being. The tone. That is what's taking my brain for a spin. The tone. how it gets it. Let me go for the second version really quick, and this will be our final, because this video is long enough already, and if you made it this far, I sincerely thank you, and if you don't mind subscribing, that would be great. But anyway, let me play the second one.
Στη σιωπή της νύχτας αναζητώ το φως σου, μα στο άδειο κρεβάτι μόνο ηχούν τα λόγια σου. Κάθε ανάσα μια ανάμνηση που πονάει βαθιά. Αγάπη μου, που σε τώρα μες στην καρδιά μου κρύβεσαι.
Anyway, the first version was way better. So, what you can do from here really quick before we get out, you can click these 3 dots and you can continue from this song. And you can add more lyrics if you want to make it longer, since we are in the free version. It's not gonna make us anything much better, but it will continue on this style. If you like this first style, for example, it will continue from that style. So you keep that style, you don't lose it. Because as I said, it's kind of rolling the dice here. So, with that said, this is the miracles of AI so far in music. And I see it's gonna go even better from here. The opportunities for a lot of people are greater than you can actually understand at the moment. Mark my word, this AI stuff will make more millionaires than we have ever expected or seen. And I'm talking about making rich people out of me and you, not just the fat cats, me and you. And with that said, I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Please share it with somebody, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.